Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dexter Wolf. And today, I'm gonna make Kinder Joy. You've been wondering, how can I make Kinder Joy? Am I gonna just joke and buy Kinder Joy and show you Kinder Joy? Nope, I'm gonna make Kinder Joy at home. So, this video, lots of people liked it, and then I made my own dish. So, I said I can start cooking, cooking videos sort of. So first I'm gonna tell you the ingredients we need to make Kinder Joy at home. We need milk, Nutella, a bowl and spoon, of course, and I say 2 Oreos for me, 2 Oreos. You can use more or less Oreos if you want. And you can use milk powder. Milk powder, it makes it better, but the bad thing is I ran out of those, but it's fine. So first, we need to put some milk in the bowl. Be careful, don't spill any of the milk. Then fall down. After you put the milk amount you wanted, you put in some Nutella. This is a lot. Just dripping down some pieces. Okay. Put the Nutella in. You try to make the Nutella drop, I guess. And guys, meanwhile that's going in, you need Oreo. Oh yeah, I said that, but you need to crush the Oreos so it can melt, eat faster, and then you can eat your yummy dish faster too. We need 2 Oreos. Before put in, we need to put them in pieces. Yep. Okay. It looks a little messy, but it's good. Crush the Oreos with your spoon, of course. And guys, now you have to mix it so it's smooth and stuff. Thank God it doesn't make that noise from last time, cause I'd be like that was my picture from last time. Okay, now come on guys, just please let me get to 2,000. Yeah, please help me get to 2,000 subscribers. So what? I really want them, please. And guys, now look, it's fully in stuff. It looks so good and stuff. It's liquidy already. So guys, that's it for this video, and have your delicious meal.